It's been a long day. Ay, 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 ay. Woo! Woo! Who is calling me? Oh my God. I can't even get no rest. Like, God, I'm just so tired. Like, come on. Why you bugging my phone like that? Hey, girl. What's up? Why you buzzing my phone like that? You know I'm in the shower. I'm trying to relax.
Girl, remember the Tinder date I told you about? Like, we're going out today, so I really need help with my makeup.
Time for that. You already know today's my off day. I cannot teach you anything. Why are you trying to pressure me right now?
You know I can't do makeup. Please help me.
No, I cannot do it because I have always been telling you, go watch my YouTube videos.
I beg
go
you,
watch
please
it. It's
help
always
me. He's
there.
on his way to pick me up.
I always post updated makeup videos. Why are you calling me right now?
I promise you, if you help me right now,
well,
I will always watch your videos. I will always watch it, please.
Because I've been telling you this, and I can't.
I know,
like,
and that's why I'm begging you. Please, this will be my last time.
Anyway, I just got out of the shower, so you know what? I'm gonna get ready and call you on FaceTime. God. Girl, so now that I got you on FaceTime, let's go ahead and get into the details. Show me what you got.
I thought of ordering your makeup products for today.
Girl, what you doing? I thought you already have your makeup products ready. Like, what are you doing?
What to buy?
Well, how am I gonna show you how to do makeup when you don't got makeup? When you don't got any makeup on you right now? How am I gonna show you?
I'll just manage with the little that I have. And also, after this day, I am going to come to you personally so you can sit me down one-on-one and show me how to do makeup step by step.
You already know I don't got no time to sit down and do a one-on-one class with you right now because I am so busy with my 9 to 5. But what I can do is introduce you to this online makeup class that I bumped into one time, and they really help with beginner classes. Yeah, I cannot help you right now, but I know they can because these are the stuff that they offer. They help with the makeup. They help with makeup application, skin color, choosing your foundation, your concealer, the best colors for you. They also help in getting your actual beginner makeup kits, which you don't have right now, and I suggest you reach out to them. If you book online, you can use this discount code on the screen to actually get you a little discount. Yeah, don't say I didn't do anything for you. Let's start with the application whilst I'll tell you more about this academy. So you're gonna make sure you have your scapular. Make sure you are brushing through your eyebrows. Go in thoroughly, and then what I usually like to do, which is a personal preference and you can also pick it up, is go in with an eyelash glue. Just put a little bit on the eyebrow, and trust me, this will make your eyebrows stay for the whole day. So I'm just gonna start at the back because I am going for a very, very natural look. So I'm just gonna start back here. Usually what I also do is tap a little bit of powder on my eyebrows, but right now it's not looking oily, so I'm just gonna leave it like this. And then I'm gonna go up here, and then with a light stroke, I'm just gonna connect it with the one down there. So now that the eyebrows are done, which I really look ridiculous right now, but you have to trust the process, we're going to clean the eyebrows up with some concealer. You already know I was about to pull this off on you because yeah, I'm not about to get my hand messy. So what I usually do is when I get a very flat brush just like this, I start all the way from the back and then I arch my eyebrow without going back in. I just use the residue to do my front. Now it's time for blending, and girl, you already know with makeup we do not play with blending, okay? So I'm gonna use this fluffy brush right here. Yeah, it's fluffy, get into it. And I'm just gonna go in and blend everything out. Once that is done, we are ready to set the makeup and pack some eyeshadow on. So what we're gonna do is get another fluffy brush, which is this angled brush here, and I am going to go in my online makeup academy Pro Line Contour blush highlight, and this is what is in there. I showed you earlier, and I am going to go into this shade and that shade, which is really pretty. I really love the colors, and what I'm gonna do is just tap 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 pack some on the brush, and then I just pack it on my eyelids just like that. And for eyeshadow, we are going into this eyeshadow that actually comes with a makeup kit. It has a lot of different shades that you can combine. It is so beautiful. I love the shimmer shades. Like, let me swatch one of the shimmer shades for you to see. Look at that. These people are definitely pros. They care about what you put on your face, and this is one of the most beautiful shimmers I've actually seen. We're just gonna start with a darker shade, like I said, because you already know as a beginner you have to start with neutral shades. If you get consistent and very good with them, we go ahead and do the colors. With these type of little fundamental things, Online Makeup Academy also teaches you that, and on top of that, you also become a certified makeup artist. Like, you get a whole certificate. Girl. I'm gonna start right in the back. I am just buffing this out really quickly, and I am using a very fluffy brush right here. I'm going to go in with a much lighter shade inside the middle, and I am going to blend it together with the darker shade on my eyelids right now. So now that the eyeshadow is blended, I'm going to use the same pink shimmer that I swatched earlier on. This is how it looks like. I am just gonna tap on my eye. Now I'm going to put on my eyeliner. Now when it comes to the eyeshadow and everything, you know I don't have to talk because I'm really concentrated when it comes to that. So now that we're done with all that, let me actually tell you what the Online Makeup Academy comes with. At the end of this program, you are a certified makeup artist. You get your certification. They offer a variety of courses with different and affordable price points, allowing the students to choose what suits them the best. I enrolled in a master program which consists of 8 modules, and upon completion, there is also a bonus module covering male makeup, makeup for sensitive skin, and a lot of valuable insights on becoming a successful makeup artist. And to earn your certification, you have to complete the modules and pass the test. Because it's online, you can actually do it whenever, whatever time you want. It is at your own pace. You will be able to be offered discounts when you sign on to this school. One of the best aspects of getting into the Online Makeup Academy is the flexibility it offers. You can study at your own pace, at your own schedule, which is so great for me. As long as you stay consistent and motivated, which has worked so great for me because I work a 9 to 5 and I do not have a daytime to study. So what I do is do it after work, in the gym, do it everywhere. You just gotta look and listen to it. And once you make the purchase, you have a lifetime access to all the modules. So you can log in anytime, anywhere, even after you complete the modules and the test and you're certified. If you want to go back and revise yourself and refresh your memory, you can always go back. I know you want to know more, but I'm gonna stop you here and we're gonna go back onto the face, okay? Because we gotta get this face beat. You already know I am going to use my primer. I do not care what primer it is. Make sure you're priming your face and make sure you're done with your skincare routine. I'm just gonna use this on my T-zone because this is where I usually get the most sensitive. I usually go in with my foundation. Usually I just put it on my face, but it is not advisable. And that is why you need a professional to teach you, because I really break the makeup rules whenever I'm doing makeup because I do it to my liking. And I really hope I have someone to teach me. The online school have video modules, which is so fun because I am a visual learner. And I really love the fact that you have to practice on yourself as well. Some of the assignments, you actually do the assignment and take a photo and then show the instructor what you have done. You guys already know I am a self-taught makeup artist, but I have definitely learned a lot from these classes that I've been taking. Like, these modules are so beginner friendly. I have learned my makeup through YouTube videos and stuff, but these ones are just new knowledge, and it's always good to broaden your mindset. It's always good to like know a lot more than you do and meet a lot of people, because you always meet tutors that are really good on these type of stuff. You're able to ask questions. They cover essential makeup fundamentals, working on different skin tones, and also getting insights from a professional view. Being on this class, like, I really love how it's so easy, especially using the color wheel to choose eyeshadows, to choose like different type of foundations or shimmer shades to give to clients that fits their face. Now the foundation is blended, let's go on to the concealer. I'm just gonna do a little bit in my inner corners and spread them out later. I just leave this for a minute or two for it to dry completely up, and then I will blend in with the fluffy brush. Throughout the course, you have to complete at least 10 makeup assignments. I found them manageable. I was able to pass on my first try. What I really like about this academy is that it encourages you to keep practicing and submit your work for critique. They provide personalized feedback and they point out areas that you need to improve on. The tutors really do have time to send you a personalized video with your name telling you what you actually need to work on and what you're really doing good at. The level of attention made the experience feel very personal and supportive. Now that the concealer has been blended, I'm just gonna go in with the pressed powder, and I am going to set the concealer right away to avoid creasing. I am also going to go around my face with a pressed powder. So now we're going to go in with blush, and that is my favorite part of the makeup. I think I'm going to go in with this upper one, and as you all know, we're going in with the Online Makeup Academy Pro Line Blush Palette. Everything is blended in place, y'all, so we're going to set the makeup. The last and most important step that brings out the makeup is the lips, and y'all know I do not play with my lips. This is the last thing I'm gonna say about the Online Makeup Academy. The most important thing I have learned from this was the professional side of makeup artistry. How to properly sanitize tools and maintain hygiene when working on clients. These are really crucial aspects that I have never considered before, and I am glad that the course covered them in depth. The video lessons allow me to practice in real time, either on myself like I'm doing now or on someone else, pausing when necessary to follow the instructor. Overall, I am beyond happy with my experience with the Online Makeup Academy. From the structured lessons to the personal feedback and the flexibility of learning, everything exceeded my expectations. I am incredibly grateful for the opportunity given to me to become certified in something I am very passionate about, and especially learning at my own pace. Like, who does not want this? Tell me. If I had to rate this program, I would give it a solid 10 out of 10. I absolutely loved it, and I am considering enrolling in other courses in the future. I highly recommend the Online Makeup Academy to anyone looking to pursue in makeup certification and in a flexible and supportive environment. With that said, the makeup is all done. Let me know what you think. I hope you enjoy your date, girl, because I am all for you. I hope this tutorial was worth it and it was worth your time. If it did, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It means a lot to me. Go ahead and share and like and put your thoughts in the comments, because I really read and I reach out to you and let you know I really appreciate you. Have fun. Mwah.